Hello everyone, I'm Dixon Silvan. In this video we are going to see how to create a trigger in IFTTT. For this you can either use IFTTT's app or go to its website. I will leave link in the description below. Go to My Applets tab and click the plus button. Click the this button to create a trigger. Search for Webhooks. This will be a trigger which will receive web requests. So give it an event name, for example an SMS event. I will give it as a fall detection since this detects a fall and sends out SMS. The next part will be the that, and for this I have selected the SMS option. Fill in the details of your number, name and a message body. The message body might contain ingredients and click the create trigger, and that's it. We are complete. We have created our first applet. You can turn on or off the notification and then click the finish button. You will receive a successful message that your applet has been turned on. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.